Good day, everybody. Here is our front bumper for the Polaris Axys chassis. Very similar to the Matrix, same mounting points, just a little different geometry to fit the bottom plastic tub here. So, step one, take off your stock front bumper, pretty self-explanatory. You don't have to take the pipe off. It does make it a little easier, but we're just doing it on here to show you that you can do it with it in place. All right, once you get the stock bumper off, slide the new one in place and lightly bolt everything in here. So don't forget you got your exhaust loop, get that in there. And on this side, you'll have a ground cable, so make sure to sandwich that in between the bolts. You can use your stock bolts up top. Underneath, there's gonna be two rivets right underneath the belly pan where these go. Drill those out, drill them out to 1/4-inch holes, and use the supplied hardware, bolt them into place. All right, once you get the top bolts in there and the bottom bolts in from the bottom, tightened up, you can move to the front, use the supplied bolt, use your stock center strap, bolt that on there, and then you're gonna rivet with the supplied rivets. Drill and rivet on each side. There was bolts on the stock one. Just drill and pop these rivets in. And then you're ready to put the hood back on. All right, there it is. Pop the belt holder back in there. There's a supplied hole. Just use your tool, it holds it in place. Put your hood back on, hook up your electrical connector. Away you go. Hood's on. Give you a better idea how it fits on here. This one we had powder coated in super chrome.